quickly, before we get into today's video, I wanted to mention I have an online shop, the link is in my description, where I sell things to make your Instagram stories, and your videos better. There are green screen packs, there are branding packs, there are Instagram stickers, and even a collage kit that you can print out and put on your wall yourself. So if you want to check it out, the link is in the description.
I've been an addict, over dramatic, stuck on a habit, irony. Now she keep on asking why you never happy. Maybe don't be sappy, you know that shit ain't real. But I see God in laughter, happy ever after's just another phrase that gets lost on me. So take some time to notice, you ain't gotta know this shit for sure when you're 23. So come on up, baby, you're an island. So let me crash there like a pilot. Tell me what to do like summer. You could have it all like I give it up like, oh baby, you're an island. So let me crash there like a pilot. Tell me what to do like summer. We could have it all like I give it up like, I give it up like. Waves crashing in the house that break, falling into new escapes, longing for what you can't explain. Tell me what you won't say when it's all in the yesterdays. So we beat our boats away past the current, run ceaselessly into our mistakes. You and I, so let me crash there like a pilot. Tell me what to do like summer. You could have it all like I give it up like, oh baby, you're an island. So let me crash there like a pilot. Tell me what to do like summer. We could have it all like I give it up like, I give it up like. something about the way that you understand. We don't need a rush and we don't need to make no plan. You say, pace yourself, slow it down. And I don't want to waste my days with no one else. I love how it feels, killing time, you and I. Hours, minutes, days and nights, trading all of our deadlines for conversations over wine. Killing time, you and I. In this moment we're alive, infatuated with your eyes and the way they look at mine when we're killing time. There's something about the way you talk with your hand. The way that you say my name when nobody's there. No, no. You say it's alright, take your space if you need a break. And if I need to disconnect, that's okay. This ain't no race. Killing time, you and I. Hours, minutes, days and nights, trading all of our deadlines for conversations over wine. Killing time, you and I. In this moment we're alive, infatuated with your eyes and the way they look at mine when we're killing time. Killing time, you and I. Hours, minutes, days and nights, trading all of our deadlines for conversations over wine. Killing time, you and I. In this moment we're alive, infatuated with your eyes and the way they look at mine when we're killing time. Oh, oh. Killing time. Killing time.
I always play a fool, living in your maze. Tell me why you make it so hard on me. I know you like your independence, you come and go just as you please, and you've been always leaving lately. Tell me something I don't know, you'll be up out on your own. I just don't wanna hear you say to me, say it's over. How could you leave me alone? I know, girl, that I did wrong. I just can't stand to hear you say to me, say it's over. I can't make you stay, but I just can't take the pain. You keep me guessing, but you're undressing. I see the brown hair fall off your shoulder. How am I supposed to move on when you call me? But I know you don't want